Hello, Far Northern vendors. We are now going to discuss setting up notifications so that you can receive either text message or email alerts when a service coordinator has done a follow-up on an SIR. First, if you'd like, you can set up notification profiles. This is essentially a way to set up groups of notifications to apply to different users. In your admin tab, you will see default notification profile. You can click configure. In order to create new, you can click create new. Here you can assign this a name and a description. Next, you can set your default notification profile list and click configure. In the module names, you can scroll down to general event reports. Here you'll choose what event would trigger a notification. If you'd like to simply know when Regional Center has followed up, you can say yes to follow up. If you'd like to set these up within your organization to know when someone has submitted or approved or deleted anything, you can set these as well. Next, you'll select your media, whether you want to see this in an email or pager email, which is our term for text message. Then you will set your notification levels for each event type. To view only Regional Center reportable, you can choose high, medium. You can also choose whether you wish to be notified of abuse neglect follow-ups. Then you can click Save at the bottom. Once that's done, you can go back to your dashboard. Now we will need to get our system ready to receive notifications. For each user, you will need to go to your Settings tab. Under Settings, you will see Personal Details. Please click Edit. In your Personal Details, you will see an option under Preferences to enable notification. Make sure this box is checked. Once you do that, you can save at the bottom. In order for the changes to take effect, you must log out and then log back into the system. Once logged back into the system, you can go back to your Settings tab and you're going to see options for notifications. First, you will need to set up your notification information. You can go ahead and go to configure. You can enter your email and the email. And you can enter your pager email here to receive text message. Please note this is not just your phone number, rather your email for your phone. So this can vary provider to provider, so please check our help and support site for the correct way to enter it. Then click Save. Now you can go back to your dashboard and we can apply the default notification profile that we just created. You can go to Default Notification Profile and click Apply. Next, you'll see the ones you created and you simply click Apply. Once you receive your success message, your Therap is now set up to receive either a text message or an email when an SIR is followed up on. Emails will look similar to this. You will receive the form ID, the module name, the action name, the type, the notification level, who generated it, and the provider code for Regional Center. If you wish to simply configure these manually, instead of creating notification profiles, instead of applying the default notification profile, you can simply go to Notification Profile, click Configure, choose the module name, and then select your notification events and media. Once you're done, you can click Save, and you're good to go. Thank you very much. If at any time you need help while logged into the system, feel free to scroll to the bottom of any page in Therap. At the bottom of every single page in the system, you will see these 4 buttons. The first one is Help and Support. When you click that, it will take you to our Help and Support site. Please note that it opens in a different tab in your browser, so you will not lose your work. We created a website dedicated to vendors of Far Northern Regional Center. To access this, click on States in our banner. Then find California. On our California page, you will see a link to the California Far Northern Regional Center here. This will take you to our Far Northern website. Under Resources, you will have all sorts of user guides on how to do anything you will need to do when in the system. Here's our Create GR guide. Here's how to configure your notifications. Here's how to configure your password policy, and etc. If you still need help, at the bottom of every single page in Therap, you also have our Live Help option. This will put you one-on-one with a member of our support team who can assist you with your question. If we are online, you will have the Online button. When you click on that, it will ask you what you are referring to. When you have a question about an SIR, please make sure you note down you are with Far Northern Regional Center. This will flag our Therap staff that you need help creating an SIR. When you click Submit, you will then be taken to a chat page once you are connected with an agent, it will let you know. You can engage in a chat with our support person, and they'll help you in the best way possible. When finished, go ahead and click the Disconnect button up at the top. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.